What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Get Real Bass Fishing. I'm here with Erica. She dragged me out onto the beach.
Hey.
We're attempting to go catch some stripers and bluefish or mackerel. Albies, something, I don't know. But we're trying. There's a lot of great white shark bait out here. They're literally everywhere, so we gotta walk pretty far just to get to where we have to fish. So beautiful sunset though.
That's crazy. It's got like little tentacles.
He could eat you.
Probably, yeah.
Told you. You got a bird. He's big though. A thick boy. Oh. And they were catching bass this time. Like right around here, they were starting
What,
catching.
sea bass?
Largemouth, stripers.
Largemouth bass in the ocean?
Anyway, we're walking back and we're gonna hit up some spots that we see that may be fishy and then go out in the morning really bright and early. That way we can catch some stripers with the GoPro and show you guys. Right?
Right.
That's the game plan?
Dark and early, actually.
Dark and early.
Before first light.
Oh my gosh. You know how early that is?
Early.
That means if we wanted 6 hours of sleep, we had to go to bed an hour ago.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. To wake up and drive out here. Yeah.
We'll be fine.
Alrighty.
Said we're going to catch lots of fish.
You guys heard it first. What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Get Real Bass Fishing. Today I'm out with Erica again, and I've been shooting some drone footage and everything, and she got a sea robin so far. We're hoping for some stripers, some mackerel. I was hoping to see some dolphin out here because it's just gorgeous, but we haven't seen any of that yet. The day is still young. Hopefully we catch some stripers. We'll see how it goes. Let's go. So I've been tossing this green deadly dick, hoping to catch an albie or something. I haven't heard any reports about albies in, but the bird's working. I was hoping I was gonna get something on this deadly dick, but guess not. We cast some kids, they said they caught some schoolies this morning. So maybe I'll switch it up and try to catch a schoolie. Would have been cool to catch an albie though. Switched up to a bone SP minnow. Let's see if that catches some schoolie stripers. Let's try it. I think we both agreed to go to the bay, so we're gonna try the bay side now. Hopefully we catch fish there. Well, that doesn't look like fun.
What?
Boats parked everywhere. Oh, it's a weekend.
Saturday.
So we made it to the bay. I got an SP minnow on. Hopefully we can catch some blues or stripers that are following the fish in through the inlet into the bay. I don't know if they're actually here, but it's like glass. Super hot too, like not too much of a breeze either. So hopefully this SP minnow does something. We usually have some luck with SP minnows in the bay. I don't know. I have a huge 10-6 rod too, so it's not a bay rod. I don't know if it's gonna work well. It's kind of too big for this, but we'll see what happens. What?
Something just came to the top right over there. About 30, 50 feet in front of you, to the left.
Another bird.
On a minnow.
A bird on an SP?
He's pretty though. Look at his colors. Look at his eye. It's like pearly.
It's pretty neat.
Yeah. All right, Goosey boy. Mwah.
That's 2 so far. You're like the sea robin queen.
Sea robin whisperer.
Got another bird. That's 2 birds on that SP.
I'm so glad that I changed this to a single hook. Oh, he's goosing! I don't know how to pick him up.
Look at him.
So cool, it looks like they're flying in the water. Yeah, look at all of them jumping.
Yeah.
There's definitely a whole bunch of them.
So we went to the bay, she caught 2 birds, I caught nothing. We came back to the ocean. Now we're trying these deeper spots where the water's a little bit awkward. Hopefully we catch some.
So there's no fish here, and we're moving down to the jetty because I have to catch more fish.
Another bird. Girl.
Can't get it out. There we go. It's not as red as the other one.
Yeah, he's pretty pale.
Here, watch my Mwah. Where's that?
Or, would you catch something else already? Well, I think we're gonna call it quits from here. Erica had some sea robins. I had absolutely nothing, no action whatsoever, but it's still a beautiful day. Like, look at this, come on. Clear blue skies, sunny day, nice weather, comfortable weather. I mean, it's starting to get a little hot now, but we're gonna walk back to the car, see what happens. Maybe we'll go somewhere else. Who knows? I just want my New York roast coffee that I got this morning. That's what I'm really looking forward to. Made it home. Erica's already by the pond. Do we still have minnows?
Yeah, we do.
Nice. Minnows. Every day for the last 4 days, I've been having to rebuild this entire wall on the pond. See? All that collapse ends up in the pond, destroys the pond, and I gotta rebuild it. All because the deer come in that way and knock down everything drinking for water. They're so stupid, they can't even come over to the flat surface and drink from there. I've had enough of these deer. Those are the boys that are wrecking my pond. Big bucks.